Hey everybody, it's Dean DeCotts of Search Authority, and today we're looking at a new website. It's called you.com. I've been playing with it for a while. You can sign in, you can install a Chrome version of it. Let's go ahead and look at that real quick. We're going to go ahead and open in a separate thing here, and you can add this to Chrome, which is really pretty cool. It's kind of like a chat box GPT type of thing. I'm actually going to add it now because I'm kind of curious what it does. I've been just using it up here. Change back to Google search, keep extensions successfully in, change back. So let's see what Google search gets me now. We're going to go into Google search and this is what we get. I'm not seeing anything that tells me anything markedly different. So let's just go ahead. I look at a lot of stupid stuff. Let's go ahead and type in my name because I like picking myself. And we get this Dean DaCosta. This is Merlin, which is another GPT type tool that I've got that I've actually already showed you guys once. I have to sign back in, so let me sign back in. I love Merlin. Merlin's just cool. And as soon as it's done signing in and doing this stupid thing, let's get out of here. And now we're here. And due to OpenAI is not able to give a search at this time. That's whatever. Let's redo this search. All right, so it just searched me. I don't see anything here that makes me believe that this other tool is really doing much of anything. So let's look at what is it here that we were doing. It's keep it the u.com extension change search UC. I don't see it changing anything I see. So we're going to go ahead and find the u dot whatever the heck it is, which is here somewhere. What's it under u.com? So it would be up here somewhere since I just added it. Of course, I could have to get out and get back in, so we'll look at that in a minute. But here it is, and here's what it does. So basically, if I type my name here, and I'm going to put my name into one word, in my last name anyway, and we're going to push enter, you're going to see a whole bunch of very interesting. First of all, I'm in the chat area. So Dean DaCosta is I experienced professional recruiter, blah, 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 blah. Great. And over here, you're going to see all these related results, which is me. Here you can see the images, which is done a little differently, which I kind of like. Here you can do all, which is everything, which again is a little different. But what I think I like about it is designed differently. It does seem to get a lot more results quicker and everything. And it is another search. And so to me, it's all about different searches. So now that we've done just a general search, let's see what happens if we get all the way out here, back to the beginning, and we type in a Boolean string. Now, given I like to pick on LinkedIn, we're going to pick on LinkedIn. And I'm going to make it very simple, and I'm not going to get too extravagant with it. Let's see how it does with Boolean. I'm going to guess probably decent. Now, it opens up in chat, which is fine, and look at all the, it worked. It got me my Java developers. The search result shows profiles of Java developers on LinkedIn. You have a specific question, let me know, and I can assist you. So it's got a combination of the chat GPT stuff along with the results. The results are right here. You're getting your results, but then this allows you to ask more questions, narrow it down a little bit further. You get help from AI, chat GPT. I do it in quotes because most of you know my feeling about the word AI. So it's not bad at all. And I'm not signed in. So imagine if I was signed in, but it gives some decent stuff. So I would definitely look at it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually close this out and I'm going to reopen and I'm going to go to Google and see if now the extension is actually doing anything besides just kind of sitting there doing nothing, which nothing. Yeah, so I'm not seeing anything unless it's being interfered with by Merlin, which I can find out. We can do something with that right now by unactivating Merlin since it's high usage now. Ain't helping me anyway. So let's go ahead and do that. And let's reload and see what happens. Could be being messed with. Something's supposed to be here, I'm guessing, but I'm not seeing it. So I'm gonna have to go with the extension does not work, but the site itself does, or at least it's not working for me. Now, that's not to say that it isn't going to work, period. It just isn't working for me. So that's what I'm going to go with at this point in time. But the site itself is really pretty cool. I actually like it, and I like the way it gives results. And more importantly, I like the way it actually helps. You can actually ask it to help and everything. So there you go, a ChatGPT/AI search engine. My name is Dean DaCosta, the Search Authority. May the source be with you.